Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to find color code on Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up the project that you want to find color code for. So let's just as you can see, this background here is green, so just select it and then just click here on color, and after you click on color, so let's just say you want to know the color code of this color here. So this color is selected here. So just hover your cursor over it and you will see the color code there, like hashtag 106 861. For red it's D51A23. So for pink it's double F66C4. Those are the color codes, and that's how you can know the color codes on Canva. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.